morning, we're here at Africa Day. My name is Booker, part of the CAHN team. We're going to look around and see what the Africa Day's got to offer. There's a lot of people who have brought their stalls and their shops and what they're showing this year, so I'm excited to go find out what we've got to see. Let's go.
So I'm Professor Faye Ruddock and I'm the chair and founder of CAHN, and it's brilliant to be here to celebrate Africa Day. And this is our third Africa Day celebration and the second one where we focus on business and technology.
So what do you expect from this event today?
Just networking and find out what else goes on so we can share what we do.
So can we please welcome Miguel into the stage with some
And I've been involved in lots of different charities. I'm now involved in a charity in Wigan that looks after homeless people and all the rest of it. So as a result of that, I was fortunate enough to be made a deputy lieutenant.
Our vision at AfroFlavor is to mainstream African cuisine. We simply believe that more people should be eating African food than currently obtained.
For every pound it received from central government, we delivered an uplift of £10.66 into the local economy.
My name is Dabrichi Erichi. I'm the creative director of Dabri Banks Clothing. Behind the business designs, as you can see, I'm putting on an Ishago attire. My name of my brand is Afro Fusion. So it's when we infuse African fabrics into Western clothing. So this is an attire that is trans-seasonal, can be worn in all seasons.
I think the CAHN Africa Day celebration is an amazing initiative that needs to be sustained because it puts the focus on Africa and African businesses in the UK, especially in Manchester. That focus helps to create awareness about the businesses, helps to create awareness about the challenges, and will help move the needle on policies that will support the growth of African businesses in Manchester and in the UK.
It is so exciting being at this event today. I've met some amazing people, and I think events like this should have it more often in the community because you get to meet people, see amazing local trades, network, and I think for me it's just being able to talk more about business and technology and how that kind of cross paths is super informative and helpful.
I'm Natasha. I'm the head of communications and marketing for CAHN. I wanted to say that today, for some people like me, for example, second generation immigrants, days like this are really a remembrance of our culture. It makes you see the culture of other African countries, maybe things that you didn't grow up with. So it's just really an opportunity to know more about our own selves through others.
Good afternoon, my name is Greg Walker. I'm the Acting Vice-Chancellor of the University of Greater Manchester. I'm so delighted to be here at Africa Day at the University campus. It's a wonderful event with so many stalls, so many activities, and so much enthusiasm from staff, students, and our partners.
I'm an infant when it comes to business. I have nothing to teach you, but this is the pie that I've been served, so I'm going to do the best to teach you my lessons from my canvas.
We're grateful to all the CAHN team for all their hard work, so let's put our hands together for the team.